This community has a beautiful visitor gate. Nice, look at that. We've got a nice big pool zone over there. Really nice landscaping. You can see this gated community. It's real nice townhomes. That's the pool zone we're looking at just over there, and you can see all the nice big shade trees everywhere. That's a really nice little community. So we're going to look at a townhome in here today. Really nice. That one there's got all solar panels on it. Very nice, and you can see the bigger shade trees. And the location of this, it's like 10 minutes away from the strip. So it's all really nicely, it's a really nice gated community in the way they put it together. Again, like, look at all the nice big shady trees in there. Very nice. You got your nice little backyard, nice shade in the summertime. Really, really nice. You got your garages. So, this is like a classy kind of, they don't look like townhomes, they look like separate units, but the way that they actually are technically townhomes. But very, very nice. Awesome. Nice little place, and there's another pool zone right over there. Okay, let's go and take a look at one of these units inside. Okay, this beautiful townhome built in 1987. You got a nice two-car garage. Oh, it's a single. You can see the kind of garage over there. The garage is not open, but we'll go inside and take a look. Got a nice entryway. It's really nicely done. You got the desert landscaping. So low maintenance. That's your garage entry right there. Like a big one-car garage. Then this place, really nice open floor plan. It's all been remodeled. It's built in 1987. But you can see all the flooring has been redone, all the paintwork's done, and they got nice modern lighting everywhere. Really, really nice feature of this place. Okay, so let's take a look. We got 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom right here. All right, this is the second bedroom, not the primary. It's like a 12 by 11, really nice. Got a nice built-in. Got your nice plantation shutters right there. Plus, it's got its own bathroom. Well, it's like a Jack and Jill bathroom. It's got 2 entryways. But look at this, really, really nice. I love the tile work on this bathroom. Very, very nice. And you've got 2 shower heads. 1, 2. Actually, you got 3. You got the third one over here. So very, very nice. All the tile work looking really awesome. And then you got this modern kind of sink with the fixtures, the modern lighting. Very nice updated cabinets. Looking really good. I love the flooring, the plank flooring's looking really good through here, throughout. Awesome. And then we come in a beautiful kitchen zone, like a really open style kitchen with a big kitchen island. You've got like a 12 by 11, actually 15 by 11 dining room space right here. And then look at this beautiful kitchen with the massive big kitchen island, the modern fixtures. You've got all that nice cabinetry right there. You got the stainless appliances, the nice cooktop. You got the breakfast bar right here. Very nice. Then you've got this is a smart home, so you've got smart technology in the home. You've got a little pantry zone here. You got a little wet bar right here as well. Another cabinet. And then you got the great big living area. This is like 26 by 15. You got a vaulted ceiling fan. The same nice tone of tile work as you had in the bathroom. Again, it's a really, really nice big open space. I love the way they've got the different levels on the column and the roof partition, the room partition. You've got the nice big TV zone here. Attractive fireplace in the corner. Very, very nice. Loving it. The fireplace, vaulted ceiling. As I said, it was like a 26 by 15. So a nice big living space, really open big space. And I love that the domed window at the end. Very nice. Let's go take a look at the primary bathroom. Nice wallpaper on there. Same, really nice. So the primary bedroom is a 16 by 12, and you got the vaulted ceiling going up on this, and it has a really, really nice bathroom. Very, very nice bathroom. Let's go check that out. Got one little cabinet zone here. You got some. You got space in there. Then you got the same nice. Oh, and you got the skylight. Awesome skylight down into the shower. And you got one shower head, two shower heads, and you got the third one over here. Really awesome. And a tub, a deep tub. So that's a real fun shower. And then you got the dual vanity sinks in that unique style that they have. I like these modern style sinks. And you got Mr. Waterloo, and you got a nice big built-in. So really nice primary bathroom, primary bedroom. What an awesome little townhouse this is. It's just over 1,500 square feet. It's going for $389. And now let's go take a quick peek outside. You got a nice little backyard zone. And you got your barbecue zone here. You got nice shade trees here. A little sitting area. And then, just a little bit of yard back further here. And then you're going into your neighbor zones. But for a townhome, really, really nice. Very, very nice. All right, so that's the townhome. So this awesome townhouse is going for $389. It's 10 minutes away from the strip in the Flamingo. So, like if you go into the strip, you're going to run right into like Caesar's Palace. 10 minutes away from Caesar's Palace. Beautiful, really nice architecturally designed townhomes. This one fully upgraded, fully remodeled. Really nice open style floor plan. The flooring all redone. It's really nice. For $389, that's a good deal. 1,500 square feet, great location. We do have community pools. Maybe we'll take a quick peek at one of those on the way out. All right, tell me what you think. Drop me a comment. All right, we're just going to take a quick peek at the pool zone here. Got nice trails. Really nice. Nicely landscaped. And then look at that. Really nice pool zone. You got a spa right over there. On those tables, there's a spa right there. Nice pool zone right here. Nice, nicely landscaped. All right, and you got two of these pool zones. And you can see the whole place is just really nicely landscaped, paved. Awesome. So we just took a quick look at this really nice gated community, and the HOA fee is $295 a month. That includes all the maintenance, all the landscaping, trash, sewer, your pool. There's a laundromat too, although the place we looked in did actually have laundry inside. All right, really nice. For $385, $386, really nice. That's the community we were just visiting. It's so nice. The gated community. There's another one right there, and then straight ahead in the distance, that sphere you can see, that's right next to the strip. And you can see the wind right over there, so you can see how close we are to the strip right here, but you wouldn't know you're anywhere near the strip, so it's a real nice location. All right.